Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today, in my lecture series in subject Digital Principles and Compute Organization, we are just going to see the combinational logic circuits continuation, that is the decimal adder. Introduction to decimal adder. The decimal adder is an essential tool for adding numbers quickly and accurately. It helps us perform basic arithmetic operations, understand the fundamental concepts of the number system. Here, in a decimal number system, it mainly consists of place value, base 10, decimal points. Place value, it mainly consists of decimal systems. The value of a digit depends on its position or position place value, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Next is base 10. The decimal system is a base 10 number system using the digits 0 to 9. That is 0 to 9. Each place value is a power of 10. Decimal points. The decimal point separates the whole number parts from the fractional part, allowing us to express both integer and decimal values. Here are the addition of whole numbers. First, place values, carry over, add digits. Place values line up the numbers vertically, ensuring place values ones, tens, hundreds, etc. properly aligned. Next is a carryover. If the sum in a column carry the appropriate number, the next column on the left. Then add digits. Adding the digits in each column starts from the rightmost column, that ones place. Next is adding of decimal fractions. Adding of decimal fractions, it consists of align decimal points, add digits, decimal in results. Align decimal points, it mainly consists of it's used to ensure the decimal points are perfectly aligned when adding decimal factors. Next is add digits. Add digits, it mainly consists of the adding of the digits in each column starting from rightmost column, the ones place. Next is decimal in results. The decimal points in the final result such should be directly below the decimal points in the original numbers. Here comes carrying in decimal additions. Carry to next column, align decimal points, decimal in final results. Let's see carry to next column. When the sum in the column exceeds 9, carry the appropriate number to the next column on the left. Next, align decimal points. It mainly ensures the decimal points remain properly aligned addition process. Next is decimal in final results. The decimal point in the final results should be directly below the decimal points in the original numbers. These are the carry in decimal addition. Next is aligning decimal places. First is whole numbers, next is decimal points, and finally it's decimal fractions. Whole numbers line up the whole number digits, ensures the place value are properly aligned. Next is decimal points. Align the decimal points of the numbers being added. Finally, it is decimal fractions. It ensures the decimal fraction also properly aligned or not. These are all the aligning decimal points. Finally, step by step decimal addition. Step-by-step decimal addition mainly consists of align decimal points, add digits, handle carries decimal end results. Align decimal points. It ensures the decimal points of the numbers being added are perfectly aligned. Next is add digits. Adding the digits in each column starting from the rightmost column, the ones placed. Handle carries. If the sum in a column exceeds 9, carry the appropriate number row to the next column on the left. Decimal end results. The decimal points in the final result should be directly below the decimal points in the points original numbers. Thank you.